Dreaming of crystal clear audio and seamless Apple integration? Here's your guide to making those AirPods a reality using an Apple gift card. First, let's get your Apple gift card ready. You can redeem it directly on Apple's website. Head over to Apple.com and look for the gift card section, or simply navigate to the Apple Store online. Once you're on the gift cards page, you'll see an option to redeem your card. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the 16-digit code found on the back of your physical gift card or within the email, if it was digital. After entering the code, your gift card balance will be added to your Apple ID account balance. You can check this balance anytime by logging into your account on the Apple website or through the App Store app on your iPhone. Now, let's find your perfect AirPods. Browse the Apple Store online and add your desired AirPods model to your cart, whether it's the AirPods, AirPods Pro, or AirPods Max. You're just a few clicks away. Proceed to checkout. This is where your Apple gift card comes in handy. When you reach the payment section, you'll see an option to use your Apple ID balance. Simply select that, and the cost of your AirPods will be deducted from your gift card balance. If your gift card balance doesn't cover the entire cost of the AirPods, no problem. You can easily combine it with another payment method, like a credit card or your Apple Pay. Just select Add Payment Method and input your other details. Review your order carefully, ensuring the correct AirPods and payment details are selected, and then finalize your purchase. Congratulations! You've successfully bought your new AirPods using your Apple gift card. Enjoy the incredible sound experience.